Hey, welcome to today's video. It is a Target haul, y'all. Empty bag means all the clothes are hanging and ready to be worn. I am thrilled to present to you all of the amazing things that I found at my local Target just the other day. The reason for this video is, probably like you, we've all been sort of reassessing how we consume and how we purchase and our value system and what we feel is worth it and areas where we feel we can scale back. And I think a lot of us are going to be in more of a scaling back mode. When I sit here in my closet and I look around, I can honestly say that there's a lot of this stuff that, will maybe get worn once a season. And then I ask myself, is it worth it? Is it waste? Did I really need it? What was the impetus? What caused me to buy that? Was it just getting caught up in consuming and having the latest and the greatest? And as I'm finding, and as I'm sure you're discovering too, there are many outlets that will keep you on trend when it comes to what's out there, feeling like you're current, but really not spending a lot of money. And when I show you the array of clothes that I've amassed here, and then I reveal the price point, I think you're gonna say, oi to the vey, what have I been doing all this time? I have noticed that Target has certainly expanded in terms of brand. The last time I was there, it was primarily Xhilaration, that's the Target brand, but I've noticed a couple of new ones that they've taken on. And I've also noticed a bit more of a steering towards sophistication, a little bit more the older woman, the working woman, practical, classic. I was so excited. I spent an hour in there. So let's get going. First of all, I'm so into graphic tees, so I had to pick up a Queen t-shirt. Just, because it is of my generation, the 70s and 80s and all of that. So, yes, this is a Target tee for $12.99. The first outfit that I want to share with you, and frankly, I am jumpsuit and boiler suit obsessed. So when I saw this hanging in the rack, I had to have it. It is a women's long sleeve boiler suit by Universal Thread. This is a real sleek and practical addition to your closet, especially if you're a boiler suit fan. It's got a front full length zipper, and then the pockets offer a real chic kind of functional flair to this. It's soft, super soft cotton with just a hint of spandex, and who in the heck doesn't love that? It's got a collared V-neck line to it, so it's really comfy and practical. I think it takes you from day to night. My favorite thing is the fact that it's belted, so it cinches you nicely at the waist. The V-neck offers an opportunity for some layered necklaces, and the crop length, especially a little cuff at the bottom, adds a focal point to either booties or sneakers or even a strappy heel, depending on how you want to dress it down or dress it up. This boiler suit runs from extra, extra small to extra, extra large. It was $27.99 clearance online, but in store, this baby was marked down to $19.98. $19.98 for the most adorable fitting, softest, comfy, blush pink boiler suit. I am in love. I'm in love. So I had to start with that one first. Okay, this next one I really think that you're going to love too. When I saw this, I immediately thought garden party, pool party, Sunday brunch, church. This is such a classic line. It's a women's puff short sleeve blouse from Who What Wear. That's that new line that I'm noticing in Target. It's in Hampton plaid in beige. So it's got this great elbow puff sleeve. It's cut snug around your figure, which I love, cinches at the waist. It's an eye-catching look. It uses that blousey sleeve to balance the curvy bodice, ruffles and gathered fabric around the shoulders and the neckline. This is a super fun top that you can pair with the matching skirt or a pair of shorts or distressed jeans, you name it. A fabulous cut. I absolutely love that. It's a great light weave, got a hint of texture to it. It's about 55% linen, 45% rayon, sizes 0 to 30W. The top is $27.99, both in-store and online. And then I decided to wear it with the matching skirt, which is the women's Hampton plaid beige midi circle skirt, size 0 through 30W as well. This was $34.99, both in-store and online. But I just think that has such a timeless classic look to it. Love the plaid, the ruffle detail, very on point and on trend this spring of 2020. Okay, speaking of, floral dresses, especially maxi dresses, are in. So if you don't have one, I encourage you to invest. Wait to hear the price? In a great floral maxi dress. This one is a short sleeve wrap maxi by Xhilaration, a beautiful flowy silhouette of this floral dress in a nice sort of a soft blue. Features a wrap design and a little tie accent. It gives you a flattering and a comfortable fit. It's got some gathering in the back so it's not tight around the waist. A really nice V-neck again for just layering some delicate jewelry, and that short flutter sleeve adds a real feminine touch. Now you can pair this maxi dress with a pair of flats, a pair of sneakers, or a pair of kind of up the ankle strappy sandals. Pop on some really colorful earrings with this to dress it up. It's 100% rayon, size 0 through 18, and it was $29.99 both in store and online, and you are on trend for under $30. Okay, so this next look is something that I really love. It's sort of that balance between masculine and feminine. I love khaki. I'm a huge kind of olive khaki color person, so I'm taking two of those colors and I'm putting them together. This is the women's mid-rise straight leg ankle length utility pants by A New Day, another new line there at Target. This is an olive green. It comes in cream as well. I think it takes you from spring to winter because of the fabric. It's a breathable fabric, but it does have a little bit of weight to it. Straight hip and leg fit. These mid-rise straight leg pants with oversized pockets will keep you feeling comfy and on point with style. Again, that ankle length really lets you show off your favorite pair of shoes. Slip on your favorite belt, blouse, mules, crossbody, and you got that kind of walk in the town flair. And the blouse that I'm wearing with it is a women's long sleeve button down shirt by Universal Thread in olive. Also comes in pink. I'm going to feature that later. I think this is a wardrobe staple. That nice kind of classic collared button down shirt, super soft, lightweight, loose fit. Again, you can pair this with the pants or a pair of jeans. Both the shirt and the pants run from size 00 to size 18. The pants are $29.99 both in store and online, and the shirt is $19.99, just the same. Like I said, it's in two colors as well, but I really, really like that look. You can tuck in the shirt, you can take it and tie it at the waist, so you've got options there, and especially in terms of what kind of shoe you want to wear with that. So the next thing is, I mentioned the shirt comes in pink, so let's pull it out in pink, and I'm going to now pair this with a short, a style short that's super popular this season, and some sandals. So we've got the women's long sleeve button down shirt in pink. Again, you've heard all the details about it. Like I said, it's soft and comfy. You can wear it out, wear it in, but I think with a high-waisted pair of shorts like this, you wear it in. This is by Wild Fable, another line. It's in khaki, and it's a high-rise pleated short. Super, super on trend this season. I like the neutral color. It'll go with so many things in your closet. It has a relaxed fit, lightweight fabric, so it's very comfortable. The pleats are really, really cute for extra definition. 98% cotton, 2% spandex. Again, I love the fact they put little spandex in there. Size ranges from 00 to 30W, and this is $19 in store and online for these super cute pair of shorts that you can wear any which way. You can even put a tank top underneath that blouse, wear the blouse open. Just amazing amounts of opportunity with that style, so that's cute. We are sadly winding down, but But to me, a wonderful white button-down shirt is a wardrobe staple. I really like this because it has sort of a loose, blousey, almost peasant feel to it. It's a women's puff long sleeve button-down blouse by Prologue in white. It's classic sophistication and looseness in a white soft button down with these puffy sleeves. You can pair this with a casual or a dressy bottom, like these jeans, versatile, or you could wear it with a black pencil skirt if you wanted. The collar design gives it a super crisp look. It's softened by those puffed long sleeves. It's got a long shirt tail and kind of wide that kicks out so you can tuck in the front, wear the back part really wide and loose, dress it up, dress it down from the office to the beach. So the top is 65% rayon, 35 polyester, size 00 to 18, and it is $24.99. But let's not leave out these jeans. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Some of the most comfortable jeans I've ever found. This is Denizen from Levi's women's mid-rise slim boyfriend jeans. The color is Summer Fling. It does come in a darker wash as well. Man, are they flattering and comfy. They're made of stretch denim. They hug your curves. They keep their shape. You can wear them with that long sleeve button-down shirt or your favorite graphic tee, like the Queen t-shirt that I'm wearing right now, maybe tucked in the front, sneakers, whatnot. It's mid-rise, 26-inch inseam, slim through the hip and thigh, 5-pocket styling, machine wash. Like I said, you can dress it down, or you have the, oh, by the way, $29.99 in store and online, $29.99 for your favorite pair of comfy stretch jeans. Can't beat it. Okay, so from dressing down jeans to dressing up, this is one of my favorite ways to do it, and I'll introduce another graphic tee in the process. So we're going to take those same pair of jeans, we're going to kick off this tee, we're going to put on a Rolling Stones tee from 1975. In fact, yes, that was the very first concert I ever went to in the Astrodome. So you've got your jeans, you've got your tee, you can knot the t-shirt, you can tuck in the front, you can wear it with tennis shoes, but here is the coolest, hippest way to dress up jeans and tee. You put on a super strappy black sandal, you add a black blazer. I know these are staples that you have in your closet. These are not from Target. These are just pieces that I've owned. And now you have a great casual, dressy look that can go from daytime to nighttime in a snap. These t-shirts are only $12.99. They run from extra, extra small to extra, extra large in store and online. And wow, did I have a ball at Target. And let me tell you how lucky I got, because at the moment we can't go into the dressing rooms to try things on, just, you know, out of safety's sake. So I had to just sort of pick and pull and hope and pray and, you know, fingers crossed. And for the most part, this stuff fit. And I'm keeping it because how do you beat the price? It's amazing. So as you start thinking about wardrobe and how you want to spend your money and where you want to spend your money, and maybe you are in the mindset of, I really want to scale things back. I want to be smarter about my purchases. I want to clean out a third of the stuff that I have and get real with it. And then what I buy, if I'm looking for trends, maybe I'm going to buy less expensive trends, things that fall between the $19 and the $30 or $40 price mark. And that's a pretty smart thing to do. So I hope this opened your eyes. I hope I hit the bullseye with today's video. Please let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Follow me on Instagram and let me know where you're finding some good deals, kind of what your thought process is about just purchasing and consuming in general. And lay it out for me in the comment section what you would like to see me provide for you on this channel, which I hope by now you have subscribed to and rung the bell to get notifications when I release a video, and are following me on social media, and because it's all such a wonderful, big, blessed, and beautiful community. So with your new wardrobe options and ideas, go out, be bold, and be blessed. I'll see you next Thursday at 1 o'clock. Ta-ta!